To become a successful technical writer today, you will need to know at least one of the several help authoring tools popularly known as HAT, or simply HAT. A HAT is an advanced editor. With an editor like Microsoft Word, you can only generate two kinds of output, a docx file and .pdf file. With a HAT, you can generate ebooks for a variety of platforms including Amazon Kindle, WebHelp also known as NetHelp, compiled HTML help, PDF, help for Microsoft Visual Studio, and even Microsoft Word files. Besides these, a HAT has other features which we'll look into in upcoming videos. Almost all companies that hire technical writers will be using a help authoring tool. Documentation, such as user manuals and online help, are not done using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. There are several HATs in the market today, and learning to use any one of them will make you comfortable with the others too. In this course, we'll teach you the popular HAT, help, and manual. So why help and manual? Because it is not only one of the most easiest and one of the most powerful HATs out there in the market today, but it also comes with its own image capturing and editing software. With other HATs, you will need to install an image capturing and editing tool separately. Help and Manual's trial version is valid for 30 days, but that is sufficient time for us to learn the product to a productive level. Now here's a valuable tip. First, download the latest version, and it will give you 30 days of free use. After that, you may download version 8.5 and then use that version for another 30 days. And if you wish to continue further, you may download version 7.5 and use it for another 30 days, as we have lessons for version 7.5 on this channel. Do not install 2 or more versions on the same day because the 30-day trial periods will run concurrently, and at the end of 30 days, you would have exhausted all the versions of the software to work with. Also, the deliverable or the output files made with the trial version will contain messages indicating that the output was made using a trial version of the software. Remember that the 30-day period starts from the day you install the trial version. So be diligent and make sure you keep up with the current and upcoming videos on this channel. As of the making of this video, Help and Manual version 9.2 is available, and to download it, go to the link mentioned in the description below and click on the link that mentions version 9.2. Search for the downloaded file on your computer and run it to install the software on your computer. Now, here's an important guide to help you with the download and installation. Go to the link mentioned in the description below and download the Help and Manual Downloading and Installation Guide .pdf. The reason this guide is being provided is not only to help you with the download and installation of the trial version, but also to make you get a feel of the PDF file as it was made using Help and Manual version 9. The PDF comes with a table of contents and an index. Both the table of contents and the page numbers in the index at the end of the file have links to the content inside the guide. Note how the pages have been aligned in the PDF in such a manner that it is good for printing too. The PDF can also be customized in various ways to suit the needs of the customer or client. We'll show you how to do this in a future video where we learn to tweak PDF templates in Help and Manual. In our next video, we'll look into how to create a project in Help and Manual 9.